Hello guys, February 9, 2023 stock market update SPY. I created this trend line. If you go to 1 hour chart, you can see we are still following this trend line. Look at the amount of tags we had. So we are coming for a back test of this trend line. So keep an eye tomorrow around 404, 405-ish area. We should not close before this below this trend line. So keep an eye on that. That's a key point tomorrow. I have a trend line here. I'm still expecting 428 to close the gap before we dump. So keep an eye on that. I'm still expecting it to go higher. There are no signs for me to close my long positions. One reason for this is looking at utility sector, which is a risk off. Usually when market is down, utilities should go up. So people, this is like a safety sector. Today this was down heavily, 1.37%, and the other indication is dollar. It's failing resistance on this daily 50 SMA line. It's still not able to close above that. So why is dollar red if stock market is red? Dollar should be green. So usually when dollar goes up, stock market goes down. Dollar goes down, stock market should go up. So keep an eye on that. Another thing for SPY, this is my other chart which I use on basically Thinkorswim. So basically there are few lines here. uh, Purple lines are the best buy and sell zone. Okay, so look, we had a run up here. We reached around 8%, and we are now dumping to 2.6%. Yellow line in the middle is where nobody have edge, so it's like a fair advantage for bears and bulls. So the closer we go to yellow line, it's like a no-win situation. So basically now we're getting closer to yellow line. That means we are in equal space, equal fight between bulls and bears. The higher we go, it's better to short. The lower we go, it's better to buy. Okay, so my top target is still around 428, which is this is SPX 4278, and my bottom target, if we dump the dump I'm expecting, we should be buying around 3644. Okay, keep that in mind. Also looking at other sectors, US 100 or triple Qs, which is Nasdaq, still falling trend line, nothing to worry about. Today was actually a good day to buy the dip, so I'm still expecting 329 to hit. Tesla had a bullish day today. It was up more than 6% at one point, so I'm still expecting this gap to fill around 265, so which is around 28% high from here. Apple, still I think not bad. It's still on a trend line. If you draw a trend line from here, you can quickly draw a trend line. Something like this, not a clean trend line, but if you do like this, they have two tag, one tag here, two tags here, like top and then bounce, and then we're going for a back test of tag here. Also there's a parallel support here. So if you look at this, we are all right on support. Okay, look at the times we support here, bounce, support here, bounce. Now we're coming for a support here. So today was a good day to buy Apple as well. Okay, and looking at crude oil, nothing to worry, down 1% today. We dipped below this 50 SMA line, daily SMA line, but it managed to close over that. So today was a good day to buy oil miners, and everything is looking good. Natural gas, if you looked at my yesterday's update, I said it will come for a back test and bounce. Okay, you should look at a 4-hour chart. Okay, always keep this in mind. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, it's doing exactly as I told you. Trend line bounced, back test, and now we are going up. Okay, so today or yesterday was a good day to buy natural gas. I'm expecting to bounce, and my targets would be here around $4. It could go as high as $4. Yeah, it could go even 5. But I do expect now from here a bounce, and then again retest around sometime in March, and then go up. Okay, so keep that in mind. Bitcoin had a down day today. Look, it made a flag. Okay, it was making a flag, and then if you take a distance of the flag from here, it came here. So I'm expecting, also there is a cluster of support around 20,000. Okay, there is a 50 SMA line here. If I drag it here, look, this 50 SMA line, I do expect Bitcoin to find support. Also, if you look at BTC futures, there's a massive gap here. Okay, so I do expect that gap to fill. So if Bitcoin hits 20,000, time to buy. All right. Gold perfectly working out as I'm expecting. We made a flag and our flag is breaking down 0.74. My target to buy gold minus GDXJ will be around 70.90 for a rip higher later on in the year. And I already covered dollar, Tesla, and US 30, which is Dow Jones. Look, we were consolidating. Still, we popped up. It was a fake out, and now we're coming to the bottom of the channel. Okay. One thing to note, we are still above this daily 50 SMA line, so we can bounce anytime and we can still pop higher. So keep an eye on that. I think that's about it. Those are the sectors I need to review. So, oh, VIX, very, very important sector. VIX, it's a bit scary. It's closed about 20. So keep an eye on that. It's still facing resistance on this downward sloping 50 SMA line. So if it tomorrow it closes above that, then it's a bit of concern. But we can probably crash tomorrow. We often call it VIX crash Friday. So VIX crash Friday. So be mindful of that. And that's about it. Have a good one.